Now it's available at McCarthycars, BMW 520 diesel, 62 plate 2012, metallic black. Car has front daylights, it's got front bi-xenon lights, front fog lights, it's got front parking sensor, it's got 19-inch alloy wheels, privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensor. Full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX. Four electric windows, got electric and folding mirrors, electric seats, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got DAB radio, telephone, Bluetooth connection. Push button to start, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, USB, it's got aux connection, automatic transmission. Thank you for watching.